Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through the new summer 2025 fashion trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. First trend we're seeing is lots of stripes. This dress is from Time and True. It has that crew neckline, sleeveless, longer length, that same fit through the back. These are only $13.98. It also comes in the green, black, and pink. And then also new from Free Assembly is this boat neck top. So it has that boat neckline, the little cuff on the side, relaxed fit with the little slit, that same fit through the back, and they are going to be $12. New linen look tops from Time and True. So these have that split V. It has this little stripe detail with the ruffled sleeve. Same kind of relaxed fit through the back in the beige and white stripe, also in the white and blue stripe, and they're $14.98. New set from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller colorful button. The rhinestone detail has the cuff sleeve. We did see this one in the white and the blue stripe, and now they also have the shorts to match. So these are pull-on, flowy, the same kind of rhinestone detail. They only have the stripe here, and these are going to be $24. So it has the thin strap, the elastic tie detail, nice and flowy, and this one's $34. So way cheaper. Get like 4 for the price of 1. The next one we're seeing is artistic minimalism. So solid colors but with extra little detail. So bubble skirts, asymmetrical hems. This one has the 2 different fabrics. From Time and True has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, has the V design, also that pleating, same fit through the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $17.98. New rompers from No Boundaries. They're strapless, a little ruching on the side, flowy fit through the front and the back. In the red, also comes in black, and they are $10. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the smocking, the little puff sleeve, flowy skirt through the front, and then it continues around the back. Comes in the white, also in the purple, and they're going to be $28. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline. It's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. New dress from Scoop. So this one has the plunging V, this little bow detail, has the puff sleeve, flows out in this pretty lavender. I'll have it linked. I did see these in a couple stores, so even though it looks like it's online only. Also in the solid with all the little gathered details, these jumpsuit from No Boundaries has the thin strap, scoop neckline, the V design, flowy. In the black, also comes in the green. These remind me a lot of the 80s, and they are $16.98. Like the gold jewelry, big, huge, curly, like updo. The next trend we're seeing is lots of 60s and 70s pieces, so in fabric. So crochet, seersucker. This new set from No Boundaries in the seersucker has the little tie front tops. Another trend we're seeing, adjustable straps. Also has the matching skirt. Comes in the pink and white, also the black and white, and the 2 pieces are $16.98. New capris from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, pull on the side pocket, straight through the leg, and then no pockets in the back. In the red and white gingham, also comes in the solid black, and they're $14.98. This dress is a little Y2K, which is another trend we're seeing, but it also reminds me a lot of the 70s with the watercolor. It has the thin strap, plunging via the little tie, flowy through the front and the back. Comes in this multicolor. We also saw it in a teal, and they are going to be $12.98. Also new kimonos from Jessica Simpson. So these are open front, relaxed through the sleeve. It has that crochet detailing, nice and oversized through the front. Also has that coverage in the back, the little slit on the side, and they are going to be $29. These new dresses from Free Assembly, they have that thicker strap, the plunging V, zip front with the 2 pockets, fit and flares, and then that same fit through the back with the seam detail. They are going to be $28. New tops that match back to those plaid skirts. So I don't, oh wait, they're over there. But these have the smocking, the little tie, crop through the front and the back. That's such a cute set. These are 18. And then this skirt has the smocked waist, the drawstring, flowy, and then the same through the back. And these are 26. The crochet top in this new dress from No Boundaries has that crochet top, the little tie detail. You can also wear it halter neck, longer length, and then it has the smocking in the back, comes in the white, also in the rust. And these are going to be $18.98. Also new set from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the mid-size strap, has that square neckline completely aligned through the front, and then that same fit through the back. The top is going to be $22, and then the skirt is pull-on. It has that elastic waistband, midi length. So it's sheer, about probably like past the knee, and these are $26. New sweater dress from Madden NYC. So this one is a crochet material. It has that scallop trim, lace up through the front, a little past the knee, and then it crisscrosses in the back. Comes in the red. This actually matches back to that little kimono we just saw. And then also in the black. And these are going to be $21. New crochet top from Jessica Simpson. This has that scoop neckline, the scallop trim, the scallop bottom, same kind of fit through the back. And these are going to be $28. They also have a new sweater dress from Madden NYC. This one has the thin strap, plunging V, this little tie, ribbing in the waist, pointel in the bottom, also has that rib trim, and then the squared back. So we saw the white and black. Now they have a new black and beige, and these are going to be $21. Sneak peek crochet dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, scoop neckline, maxi length. How pretty is this color combination? Also comes in the beige and black, and they're only $16.98. We have a new crochet set. So this one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, the little tie, does have the removable pads, sheer through the body portion but lined in the bust. Shorts have that elastic waistband, the little dolphin hem, drawstring, same fit through the back. The shorts are lined in the blue stripe, also comes in the brown. This looks like it's a favorite. We're near Disney, so people probably stop in here to get their like summer outfits. And these are $14.98. And then the Y2K pieces from No Boundaries. This has that crew neckline, sleeveless, a little ruching in the tie-dye. Also comes in that tie-dye. And these are going to be $8.98. These tees are also very Y2K in the baby tee style. They have that crew neckline, more fitted. I got my usual size medium. I wish I sized up just for more length. So it comes in this really pretty hibiscus. There's the fruit, the Cape Cod, and then that yellow. And they are going to be $7.98. Also new little baby doll top. So this one has the double strap, smocking through the bust, flowy, and then that same fit through the back. This multicolor, also in that lime floral, and these are going to be $10.98. New dresses from Madden NYC. These are strapless. They have the ruching on the side, flowy through the front and the back. In the brown, also comes in black, and these are $20. New fold over skirts from No Boundaries. These are so soft and stretchy. They have that fold over. They are on the shorter end, and they do have built-in shorts in the gray, also in the black, and these are $7.98. New paisley denim skirt from No Boundaries. So this one has the button zip, the raw hem, the same kind of fit through the back. These are $11.98. Animal prints also back for summer, so not just leopard like the previous seasons, but all animal print. So this dress is from No Boundaries, has the tie around the neck, maxi length. These are super soft and stretchy, and they're only $10, and it also comes in the black. Leopard one piece from No Boundaries has the thin strap, plunging V, the little ruche comes up high in the leg, crisscrosses in the back, It says cheeky high leg, and this one is $18.98. Online only denim shorts from No Boundaries. These have the 1 button zip. These are shorter with the little slit in the leopard print. They have pockets in the back. And then this is actually, I thought it was zebra, but it might be a palm print, but it could go either way. This is just a little wrap, sarong, scarf, whatever you want, multi-ways to wear from Sophia, and this is $18. Also comes in this palm print. Last season we saw a lot of leopard. Now we're still seeing leopard, but we're also seeing a mix of lots of other animal print. So this is a new tank from No Boundaries. It has the thin strap. It's a thicker stretchy material, almost like a legging material, like a workout legging. Has that lettuce trim squared in the back. These are a sneak peek item, and they are $6.98. And they also have a new style of rubbered slide. So these have that thick bottom that has the little cutout, this support in the heel. It says contoured footbed in the black, leopard, and purple, and those are $16.98. The bandana print is also on trend. So this one's from No Boundaries. It has the thin strap, the little wrap, flowy fit through the front and the back. Also comes in the white floral. There's the orange and teal, and they are going to be $10.98. Also in the paisley are these shorts from No Boundaries. These are that soft microfiber material. They have this side pocket. They're a longer bike short. That same fit through the back. Also comes in the black floral, pink gingham. Another print we're seeing, the gray, black, and lime. And they're $6.98. Also added these dresses from No Boundaries to the website. So these have the thin strap, that crochet top, tiers all the way down, and then the same fit through the back in the black and beige, also that green, and they're $17.98. Also new, little flowy romper from Jessica Simpson. This one has the thicker strap, the scoop neckline, functioning buttons up until the waist, elastic with the tier, and they are going to be $34. New maxi length Jessica Simpson dresses. So these have the thick strap, smocking in the waist, flowy. Oh wait, it's actually a jumpsuit. So really wide leg. In this purple and white, also this red and purple floral. And they are going to be $36. Also in the paisley are these shorts from No Boundaries. So these have the smocking, the little tie, the little high on in the middle, comes up higher on the leg. Also comes in this red and pink print, and this rainbow, and the black and white. And they are going to be $7.98. One huge trend, I'm not seeing it on any website, in any magazine, but the event that I went to, and everywhere when I go to theme parks, everyone is wearing linen vests, pants, dresses. These are from Time and True. These have the elastic waistband, the drawstring side pocket, also has the cargo pocket. I have these in both the black and the beige. They're on sale, $12.98, regularly $21.98. We saw the pull-on linen pants from Time and True in this pink color. Now I'm seeing the blazer. So this is cut just like the black and beige. Has the 3/4 sleeve, the 2 front pockets, tortoise buttons with the same fit through the back. So now you're seeing the pink color, but these are only available online. Here's another, I saw these online. These are the linen pants. How pretty is this new pink that they're doing? So they have a lot of pieces online in this. They have a high rise, drawstring side pocket, flowy leg, and that same fit through the back with the trouser pockets. So comes in the pink. They have the beige and white stripe, this navy and white, and the blazer, the linen Time and True blazer, also comes in this pink. I saw that online as well. New print in the ruche dress from Time and True. So this one has the V neckline, collar, the little detail, elastic in the waist with the belt, flowy fit. We saw the linen, also these prints. There's a palm, and now the new navy, and these are $22.98. Also new longer length linen skirt from Time and True. This has that flat front, the seam detail slit, elastic through the back, in the navy and pink palm leaf, also that white and blue. They have the tops that match back to these, and they're $18.98. New vest from Scoop. So this one has the thicker strap, that square neckline, full button, a little V with the square in the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the solid black, and they are $28. Also new pull-on wide pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, linen material, nice and flowy through the front and the back. In the blue stripe, also comes in the gray, and they are going to be $30. Another trend I'm seeing, not really being talked about, kind of over it, but the oversized button-down shirts with the matching shorts. Seeing those everywhere, layered with little tanks, wearing them just buttoned down, tucked in. And these are sneak peek from Time and True. It looks like they're in the swimwear section, but they look like they can be worn, you know, like every day. They have the smaller collar, full button, the little tab sleeve, oversized in the white, also comes in the blue. And the tops are $22.98. Shorts have that smock waistband, nice and flowy in both of those colors, and they're $16.98. They also have really good white button down. So this one's that gauze material. It has the smaller collar, the pearled button, scoops in the middle, button on the wrist, and the seam in the back in the white. Also the yellow, I showed in the trends video that yellow is going to be big for spring and summer. There's a light blue and coral, and they are $16.98. Also in that same material are these pull-on pants from Time and True. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, also has that cargo pocket, flowy through the front and the back. In the white, there's black and navy, and then also the green, and they're $22.98. These are these sets from No Boundaries. Has the smaller collar, full button, pull-on shorts, also comes in the solid black, and the two pieces are $19.98. And denim and pants trend, still going strong, is the wide leg. So wide leg pants, denim, trousers. These are from Sofia Vergara. These are a high rise. They have the whiskering flowy seam kind of fit through the back. Also comes in that later wash, and these are going to be $24. New cargo pant from Free Assembly. These look like they're mid-rise. They have this seam detail, flat pockets, elastic through the waistband, and then it has the same through the back with the flat pocket, and they are going to be $26. New denim from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, the flat pocket, nice and flowy with pockets in the back. This is the Margot wide leg super high rise, and they are $28. Comes in this mid-tone, also in that really dark wash. New jumpsuits from No Boundaries. So these have this smocking, drawstring, the side pocket, flowy through the leg, seam fit through the back, in the stripe, also in the black, and they're $16.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.